Hi guys, today we've got here OUKITEL WP20 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keyboard. So here we've got keyboard. To change the language, tap on the settings icon, go to languages, mark add keyboard and select the language that you want to have your keyboard in. So you can either scroll all the way down to find the language, or you can use search button and enter the language that you want to write in, then click on done. Now you can stay with one language only or both of them. Let me go back. And now, once you stayed with both languages, you will be able to switch between them by using word icon. And if you have one language only, you will not notice this icon and only selected language will be displayed. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.